Today's template, we have the Pop Tart treat wraps. If you don't have your template, head on over to thecraftprintshop.com. If you purchased yours already, thank you kindly. Let's get straight into today's tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. You end up here. Again, if you don't have it, it'll be in the description of this video. You can find them at thecraftprintshop.com. You're going to select use template for new design. Now that you're here, the first thing you want to do is head over to the left and select file. You're going to change the name to whatever name you'd like it to be in your Canva account, right? Then you're going to press enter and come out of that. Now, as you can see, it's already pre-designed for you. All you have to do is go in and change the name. As usual, if this is not your first time here, y'all know I use my name or my picture when I'm doing these tutorials. So we're going to bring this in a little. Just bring it in. That big circle is just the curve option here in Canva. And we're going to bring it down, right? We'll keep it at 10th birthday. It's okay. But this right here, this is it. This is all you have to do. Now, if you want to change Pop and Tarts, yeah, you could change that to happy birthday. You have the option to click on all of the text in this design and change it to whatever you want it to be. The little pennant behind the name, you can change the colors as well. And you can change the background of the text, which is that offset. Go to effect up here. The color is right here. So let's say we wanted to change that to red. So you can change that too. And literally that's it. I hope y'all are enjoying these templates. But anyway, then you're going to go to the top right. You're going to hit share. You're going to select download. You're going to change the file type to a PDF print. Then you're going to select flatten PDF, download. Now that you have your download open, we're going to print it. I will link the sticker and the glossy paper that I use in the description of this video. So I'm using the Epson EcoTank 16600. We're going to go to File, Print. I already have the printer selected. I'm making 3 copies today. Now you go to Media and Quality. You're going to send it depending on your printer. Usually the rear tray of these printers is where you print your thicker papers. And then here is where you're going to choose a glossy option. I usually choose photo high gloss or photo glossy paper, right? Quality, best. Then you're going to send to print. So we have our printouts. This is our sticker paper. This is going to be our glossy treat paper. First step is to cut everything out. You can use a scissors or you can use a paper trimmer. So we're going to start with the sticker paper. Now you have the option to peel the complete back off. I don't usually do that because once you stick your treat in the middle, you have no space for error. Like once you put it there, it's stuck. There it goes. You can peel it off, but it'll probably give you a hard time and then wrinkle your design, right? So the other option, trim off the edges. Now my scissors have tape all over it, so it's cutting crazy. Let me get another one. Now I did cut this. I should have left a little more space now that I think about it, right? So we get our treat and place it in the center there. And then we're going to put that over. All right. Then you're going to squeeze the bottom, squeeze the top. And you don't have to worry about squeezing it to be straight and perfect because when it comes to these wrapping papers, a little crinkle looks natural, right? Then you take your zigzag scissors. Put that again. Then you have the option put and you see that? Again, all of these supplies will be linked in the description of the video. And there you have your Pop Tart. Now, if you're using the treat paper, you have the option to use a glue gun or double-sided tape. So you're going to tape along the 4 edges with your double-sided tape. You're going to lay your treat in the center, just like we did with the other one. Bring it across. And as usual, this is actually my favorite option. You're going to close it, press from the middle, then out. This is a little thicker than the sticker paper. Press from the middle, then out. Trim. And let's put that crinkle in there. And there you have it. So with the glue gun, we're gonna do the same. Lay it in here. Get our glue gun, put the glue on one side first. Flip it over. Now when you're putting the glue, put it a little bit inside, not too close to the top, so that when you squeeze it, it doesn't come out on your fingers. Then you clip. And there goes our Pop Tart. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next template upload.